Hey guys, it's me, Rich Gaming, and today we're going to be playing Zombie. There's a new Lunar New Year update. There's 4 new pets, ox box, and a guardian lion, obviously. And we get to explore the lunar stand, and a new lunar house and furniture. So let's pick parent. See? Is this me? Okay, we got some deaths to see. And guys, we will be making a video when I get the golden egg. Obviously, I'm so close. 30 more and I get 600. Oh, I'm so excited. Let's change my name. My real name is not Michaela, don't worry. Let's change it to Rosie. Rosie is a cute name. The soccer house. No, I'm trying to be in. Okay, let's get Princess. Let's make a neon penguin, actually. Let's get Waddles. And Juliana Banana is here in the background. And Bubbles, our babysitter. We named her, well, her nickname we call her Bubbles. And when she's older, when she makes her own Roblox account, her username will be Bubbles. Okay, let's go there. Okay, what should we get out for a vehicle? I got a lot of vehicles, and I love the rocket racer. I love it. It's so fast, so let's get in it. Oh, he's hungry. Maybe we should give him an apple. Let's give him an apple. I got too many apples. She's playing a different game, but that's okay. She can still talk to you guys. Dada. Yeah. Anyways, let's go to the lunar stand. Let's close the chat. Dada. Bubble. Bubbly. Okay. Ooh, the music changed. Oh, because there's speakers over there. Oh, there's new cars. Oh, it's worth money too. 2,000. Okay, we gotta definitely buy some more money. But let's see. Bye, Bubbles. Guardian. Oh, I don't have that much Robux. Guys, stop! You're hurting my ears. Why do I hold him like? Did they change it? Weird. Let's go to the park where everyone else is. Okay. A hyena! So cool. She has a frostberry. Jonana has a frostberry. I have unicorns and a dragon. And also, I give away free pets. And not me. So make sure to follow me and join me. What? They call me Rosie. Stop! You guys are hurting my ears, you guys. Hurt my ears, like it hurts. Dude. Stop. Okay, guys. Let's do this. Shh. Hi, pizza restaurant. No thanks. Pink milk. A pink milk cow. So sweet. I don't have one. Huh? No, I have the best vehicles in the game, like a ribcage carriage, a choo-choo train, and a rocket racer. The rocket racer is the best car in the game, I think. Oh, these guys are trying to flex. Let me get my unicorn out. Just kidding. We gotta take care of Waddles. Really? An owl! Owl! A guardian lion. So cool. There's that's that Joe. We call her Joe. Dream Frost. Good. Miss Nelly, can you dress nice? You look clean. I don't think you're my sister anymore. So, what about what? You're naked. Ah! No, you look so mean. No. Oh, let's see what we get from a trade. Fox. Shiba Inu. Nah, it's not fair trade. People keep trying to trade me. Wait, Penguin out of the game? No, it's 225 Robux. Many people don't want to waste their Robux. I got 4 of them. What? You want my unicorn? You want my unicorn? Oh, whoa. No, thank you. I already have one. That's why I write Annie on. Okay, excuse me. Joe, what do you want? Prospery, can I give you a king bee? Can I give you a king bee? Like, it's a legendary. Look, it's a legendary. Please. Do you want me to add a car or something? Because you added a car. I'll add. Do you want this heart hoverboard? And do you want? I'll give you. Fine, I will make a neon one, but this is all I have for now that I can offer. I don't have a unicorn. But you do. Yeah, but it's not neon coloring. What? The kitten? The neon number one. That's the only neon I have. I can't. We need one more unicorn. Please. I will make the neon flying line unicorn and give it to you. Once I get another one, okay? 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 Okay. This is such a good trade. This is a fair trade. I agree. Because I gave her a pet. Well, she gave me an uncommon, and I gave her a lot more. I gave her actually an ultra rare. She gave me an uncommon. I gave her an ultra rare card, and she gave me a rare. That's just rare. But that's okay. I love my sister either way. I love you. I love you. You look so evil! Leave me alone. Leave me alone. Get away from me. Whoa, where did I go? Whoa. I was too fast. And let's check out the new lunar house. Let's check it out. Where is it? The lunar house. Let's turn. Look, there's a party house. Yes, we will make another video, and I just made one. Go check out the previous one, Survive the Killer. Yes. And we made 2 videos in 1 day. Yep, this is the second one. But guys, I showed you all the lunar events and the New Year's, and I hope you guys like this video. Make sure to smash that like button and subscribe and turn on notifications if you want more videos. Yep, and use star code Rosie when using Robux. Getting Robux. I really appreciate it, guys. It really helps me because I have 0. I can show you myself. But if you guys like this video, make sure to subscribe. Bye! And join the Rosie Squad today. Bye!